Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Happy New Year of 2023 and I wish everybody has a healthy and a happy year. Take less medicine and more herbs. So recently I visited my dentist because one of my teeth has a minor crack and there was a not a comfortable 2 hours experience, a lot of the noise grinding and a long needle for the anesthesia. Thankfully, I bring my essential oil that gave me a lot of comfort. In this video, I will introduce you the 2 oil and 1 hydrosol you can use during your dentist visit and help you calm and reduce stress and make you a better experience. Dentist visit is not quite comfortable for a lot of people, and there was a study even for kids there are 5 to 20% of them feel stress, anxiety, and even the worst case they don't want to go there anymore. So this is bad for their dental hygiene and health. A lot of research try to finding the ways to help reduce the stress, calm down the blood pressure and lower heartbeat rate while they are waiting or during the pre-treatment. In this video, I introduce you the 2 essential oil and 1 hydrosol that has been backed by the clinical study. This give a good alternative treatment to help improve their positive dental experience. The first essential oil I recommend is lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil contains a chemical called linalool. This has been known to help reduce the stress and help us to calm down. And that's why the lavender essential oil also recommend to use to help you have a better sleep. One of the recent studies, they have 126 children with age between 6 and 12. They split them into 2 groups. One is a control group and the other one give a lavender essential oil to inhale. They found that the lavender essential oil help significantly reduce anxiety and the pain score after the tooth extraction. And on the other hand, the control group has a much higher anxiety during the anesthesia and tooth extraction. And the lavender group also have a significantly lower blood pressure, and they concluded the lavender essential oil can be used regularly in the pediatric the dental process. The other benefits of using this herb essential oil or hydrosol because they have a less side effects compared with medicines. If you have a question about how to use this oil and hydrosol during your dental visit, please watch my video explaining how to make those personal kit by using a regular household material. It is very convenient to use. The other study to show even you are eating, digesting a small amount of the lavender capsule, this gives us also good benefits to reduce the stress and reduce anxiety. The second essential oil you can try is orange oil. There was a study, they have 150 children at age between 6 and 8 and they split them into 3 groups. One of it giving the orange essential oil through the diffuser, and the second group they give a music distraction, and the third group is a control. They showed both of the music and orange oil group has a significantly drop of their stress and anxiety compared with the control group. Music is like using an essential oil in diffuser, non-invasive treatment. It's different with taking medicine or even injection. This are much easier to manage and control and give benefits to the users. Another study They compare the music with lavender oil and orange oil, and they show the music has benefits to control the stress, but they are intermittent. My understanding is because the music is about the feeling of the user. Some of the music may work on a group of the people, but not so effective on the others. This is reasonable. The third one is a coffee hydrosol. Coffee hydrosol keeps the chemicals that have the coffee aroma, and the coffee aroma has been studied and recognized to help reduce the stress, make us more confident and comfortable. It is perfect to be recommended to use in the office or for students before exams and patients in the dental office, and it's approved to be helpful in the stressful environment. I have a video and a blog explaining how to make a fresh coffee hydrosol by distillation. Please watch and read it. So next time before you visit your dentist, prepare your own the little diffuser kit and help you release the stress, reduce anxiety, and have a better dentist visit. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and see you next time.